In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply and adjust color presets in Premiere Rush. Whether you're polishing a travel vlog or fine-tuning a professional presentation, color correction can significantly alter the mood and tone of your footage. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to enhance your video using Premiere Rush's intuitive features. Let's get started with selecting the clip in your timeline that you want to adjust. This initial step is straightforward but vital. By clicking on the clip in the timeline, you're essentially telling Premiere Rush, hey, this is the one I want to work on. So, give it a click, and you're ready to dive into the world of color editing. Now, after you've made your selection, the next move is to open the color panel. You'll find this either on the sidebar or nestled within the toolbar. This color panel is your gateway to a range of creative possibilities. You'll notice that within this panel lies a treasure trove of tools designed to help you craft the perfect look, one that embodies your vision and enhances your story. Once you have the color panel open, direct your attention to the Presets tab. This tab offers an array of built-in preset looks from which you can take your pick. These presets are like pre-packaged color solutions designed to bring out different emotions and styles in your footage with just a couple of clicks. Whether you're going for a moody, cinematic feel or a bright, vibrant look, these options give you a solid foundation to work from. Explore the different presets on offer and choose one that resonates with the aesthetic you're aiming for. This selection is key to setting the tone of your video, so feel free to experiment with different options until you find one that feels just right. Finally, the magic touch that often makes all the difference is the intensity slider at the bottom of the Presets tab. This nifty tool allows you to control how strong or subtle the preset effect appears on your clip. Sliding it to the right intensifies the effect, creating a more dramatic alteration, while moving it to the left softens the impact, blending the preset more gently into your video. Adjusting the intensity to suit your preference is crucial in achieving a harmonious balance. Sometimes even a small tweak can make your footage look amazingly cinematic or authentically natural. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to apply and adjust color presets in Premiere Rush. This process, though simple, can transform your project from flat to fabulous, giving your video that professional edge. Don't forget to play around with various presets and intensity levels to discover what works best for your unique style. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.